Hello, namaste, and welcome in the series of cybersecurity. This side is Meena, and today I will discuss about what are the important components of a efficient backup strategy. In case if we lost data and we are having a really solid, efficient backup strategy, backup system we are having, it plays a lifeline for our company because it can protect our company from monetary point of loss or business damages and so many other damages it can stop. Okay, and it can also help our organization to continue the business uh, even within very less time. Okay, sometime if we have a really solid plan, we can also as quickly as our backup can restore and can continue our business. So having an efficient backup strategy is really very crucial for a company. And in today's session I'm just going to discuss about what are the benefits of a backup systems for your company, and what are the important components of a efficient backup strategies, and how can backup system save from huge damages to your organization. So let's start today's session. When we just talk about the different components of a efficient backup strategy, then one of the major or the prime is the cost. Okay. Cost we cannot consider in term of how much budget is assigned for the backup system, but cost we also should consider in the context of if in case the data which we are having in our company, and that's very critical, for example, and if that will be lost, what will be the damage to our company. Okay, either that's damage happen by the uh, cyber crime, or some disaster will happen, natural disaster will happen, or it can be any kind of damage to our data. So we must understand if we will lose data, what will be a cost to our company, to our business. So we should consider it. Another factor we must consider, where to store copies of data. It's again depend upon company to company. Okay, uh, you want to keep the data at premises, on the cloud, or off site. Okay, or some other location you want to keep your data. It's again advantage and disadvantage with it. If you are having the backup copy at the premises, so if anything you need to restore, it will take less time to recover it. Otherwise you need to wait your backup copy if that's offsite. Okay, or from other location when it will come. Another thing is we should consider what data risks do you face. Again, we need to analyze, yes, this is the data and this is the priority for our company. As per the data, we need to categorize and we need to put tagging on it. So again, we which data is very critical, we should have the multiple copies of it, and a solid plan for that one, how we are going to uh, take the copies of the data, what should be the frequency of taking the backup. Maybe it's again it's depend upon the company to company. Maybe you need to take the backup on hourly basis, or every day, or in a week, or at the frequency of the your data. It's depend upon how frequently you are taking the backup. Okay, so this is also the another factor. And another is the very important thing is who is responsible uh, for your backup planning. Definitely you need a well trained employee who will plan it, what to take the backup, how frequently you need to take the backup, where you are going to store, what methods we are going to use. All these factors we need to consider, and definitely the backup system can save you from so many type of damages you will occur in your organization. If we take the example of the first, say, ransomware, if the data you are having on your uh, inline or on the network, and if you don't have the backup offsite, or or on the other part of the network, or you are having the offline data, definitely the hackers will also find out, yes, what data is also in the network, and they will also encrypt the data. So not having the data offline will be useless in that case, because whatsoever the data you are having and the backup all are encrypted, so you will not be able to recover it. So a proper planning is needed for efficient strategy. Okay, and if you want to know why is backup strategy vital for your company, you can see the session number 261. In this, just I have discussed about it, why is it vital for your company. Okay, and you can follow me on the cybersecurity prism and get the notification for the next interesting and informative session. Also share that session with your friends and group members as well, so that they will be able to understand the importance of the backup and what are the components to consider for a effective strategy for your backup. Okay, and in the next session I will discuss about protect your cloud data from how you can. So see you in the next session. Namaste.